How to record Zoom meetings. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, join Zoom meeting. After you've joined meeting, at the bottom you'll find record option. Simply click on record at the bottom and it will start recording. After it's recorded, you'll find recording option at the top. And if you want to change anything about the recording, you can click on the arrow beside video. After you click on the arrow beside video, you will find all these options. In here, click on video settings. In video settings, on the left side, you'll find recording. Click on recording. Then, you can change storage location by clicking on change. After you click on change, select the file you want your recordings to go in and press on OK at the bottom. After you have done that, it will go to that location. You can also change recording preferences in the below, which is show participants' names, include timestamp, record video during screen sharing, and this is how to record Zoom meetings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.